Welcome back to the Bookkeeper. What if reality isn't as solid and fixed as we've been taught? What if there are countless versions of your life already existing, and you have the power to consciously choose which version you experience? That is the revolutionary idea at the heart of Reality Transurfing by Vadim Zeland, one of the most powerful, practical, and mind-expanding systems for conscious reality creation ever written. This isn't just another law of attraction book. It gives you a complete model of how reality actually works and exactly how to navigate it to your advantage with less struggle and more flow. In this detailed summary, I'm going to break down the core concepts clearly so you can truly understand and start applying them in your life right away. Let's dive deep. The space of variations, your infinite menu of realities. Vadim Zeland begins with one of the most powerful ideas in the book, the space of variations. Imagine an infinite library where every possible version of your life already exists. For every decision you could ever make, every path you could take, there is a corresponding lifeline. A complete timeline of events. Your current life is just one variation out of billions. The exciting news? You don't have to create your dream life from nothing. You simply choose a better variation and align yourself with it. Think of it like a giant restaurant menu. All the dishes, all possible realities, already exist. You don't have to cook them. You just choose what you want and order it. Most people stay stuck on the same lifeline because they unconsciously keep choosing the same thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Reality Transurfing teaches you how to consciously shift to much better lifelines. Pendulums, the invisible energy vampires. One of the most eye-opening and practical concepts in the entire book is pendulums. Pendulums are invisible energy structures created whenever a large group of people think and feel the same way. They can be religions, political movements, corporations, social media trends, sports teams, even family expectations or societal pressure to be realistic. These pendulums are hungry. They feed on human emotional energy, especially fear, anger, guilt, jealousy, and excitement. The more emotional you become, the more power you give them. When a pendulum hooks you, it pulls you onto a lifeline that serves its interests, not necessarily yours. That's why you sometimes feel drained after arguments, social media scrolling, or worrying about things outside your control. How to free yourself from pendulums. Become aware when you feel strong, negative emotions. Reduce your emotional reaction. Stay calm and detached. Refuse to play their game. The moment you stop feeding a pendulum with your energy, it loses its power over you and you regain control of your lifeline. Excessive importance. The silent dream killer. Vadim Zeland says excessive importance is one of the biggest reasons people fail to manifest what they want. When you give something too much importance, whether it's a goal, a person, money, or an outcome, you create excess potential. The universe then tries to balance this excess by creating obstacles, delays, and resistance. For example, if you desperately want a specific person to love you, your strong importance pushes them away. If you're overly attached to making a lot of money, the process becomes stressful and difficult. The solution is simple but powerful. Reduce importance. Desire it, but don't make it life or death. Stay relaxed and detached while moving toward your goal. This one principle alone can dramatically improve your results with manifestation. Inner intention versus outer intention. This distinction is a game changer. Inner intention is willpower and force. It's you pushing hard and trying to control everything. I will make this happen no matter what. Outer intention is calm choice plus allowing. It's when your soul and mind are united, and you simply choose your desire while allowing the world to rearrange itself to bring it to you. Outer intention is infinitely more powerful. It works with the flow of reality instead of against it. How to actually shift your reality. Here's how you practically apply reality transurfing. Clearly choose your variation. Decide exactly what kind of life you want. Reduce importance. Desire it, but stay relaxed and detached. Visualize with unity of soul and mind. Imagine your goal with calm, positive emotion. Take inspired action. Move toward your goal, but remain flexible. Allow the flow. Trust the doors will open at the right time. The less you resist and force, the smoother and faster your shift to a better lifeline becomes. Practical takeaways you can use immediately. When you feel strong negative emotions, pause and ask, "Am I being hooked by a pendulum?" Practice reducing importance on your goals and desires daily. Spend a few minutes every day visualizing your ideal life with calm, positive feeling. Notice when you're using too much inner intention, forcing, and switch to outer intention, choosing plus allowing. Trust the process. The universe knows better ways than you can imagine. Reality transurfing doesn't ask you to fight against reality. It teaches you how to ride it skillfully, consciously choosing better lifelines while staying in a state of calm power. If this summary opened your eyes to a completely new way of living and manifesting, hit like right now. Subscribe to the Bookkeeper and turn on notifications so you never miss deep, practical book summaries like this. Now tell me in the comments, which concept from reality transurfing resonated with you the most? Pendulums, reducing importance, or outer intention? Drop your answer below. Let's support each other and start consciously choosing better realities. Thank you for watching. Remember, reality isn't happening to you. You have the power to choose which reality you experience. I'll see you in the next video.